Every day, thousands of small and local service businesses like plumbers, electricians, AC repair technicians, gas appliance repair services, cleaners, painters, and carpenters work hard to serve their customers. But behind the scenes, many of them still manage their entire business through phone calls, WhatsApp chats, handwritten notes, or spreadsheets. As more bookings come in, customer details get buried in conversations, appointments overlap, technicians aren't assigned properly, and business owners spend more time managing requests than actually providing their services. Instead of focusing on growing their business, they're constantly trying to keep everything organized. Now, think about it from the customer's perspective. Imagine your AC suddenly stops working in the middle of summer, or you urgently need a plumber because of a leaking pipe. You search for a local service provider, make multiple calls, wait for someone to respond, explain your problem again and again, and even after booking, you're left wondering whether your request was confirmed or when the technician will actually arrive. This is a real problem that thousands of local businesses and their customers face every single day. And the best part is, local businesses are willing to pay for custom solutions like this because it helps them save time, stay organized, and serve customers more efficiently. So besides learning AI, this is also a practical skill you can offer as a service to businesses in your local area. Today, I'll show you how to build a custom home service booking app using Wacka. By simply describing what we need, AI will generate a complete business app that helps manage bookings, organize technicians, and send instant Telegram updates to customers, all without writing a single line of code. Now, let's build the solution. One thing I really like about Wacka is that it removes all the complicated parts of building a business app. Normally, creating something like this means designing the interface, setting up a backend, creating a cloud database, handling user authentication, managing hosting, deploying the application, and making sure everything works together. With Wacka, you don't have to worry about any of that. You simply describe the app you want to build, and it automatically creates the complete application with a built-in backend, cloud database, secure user authentication, and role-based access. For this project, I want to build a complete home services booking and management app with two different user experiences. The first is for customers, where they can browse available services, book appointments, track their service requests, and receive instant Telegram updates. The second is a dedicated business owner dashboard, where local businesses can manage bookings, assign technicians, update job statuses, communicate with customers through Telegram, and monitor their business through analytics. Let's describe that to Wacka and see what it builds. Build a home services booking and management app with two user roles, customer and business owner. Customers should be able to browse services like AC repair, plumbing, electrical, cleaning, and gas appliance repair, book appointments, track their bookings, and receive Telegram updates. The business owner should have a separate dashboard to manage bookings, assign technicians, update job statuses, manage customers, view analytics, and communicate with customers through Telegram. Create separate interfaces for both user roles with secure role-based access. In a few moments, Wacka started building the complete application. Now that the app is ready, as you can see, the app opens with two options, customer and business owner. Since I want to book a service, I'll continue as a customer. The first time someone uses the app, they can quickly sign up or log in using their email or Google account. Right now, I don't have any active service requests, but below that, I can browse all the available services offered by the business, including AC repair, plumbing, electrical repair, cleaning, and gas appliance repair. Let's say I'll select AC repair and create a new booking. Here, I'll choose my preferred service date and time, enter my address, and add a short description of the issue so the technician knows exactly what's wrong before arriving. Once everything is filled in, I'll simply tap Confirm Booking. Within seconds, my booking is successfully created, and instead of wondering whether the business received my request, I can immediately see it inside My Jobs. The app starts tracking my service request in real time, showing its current status and every stage of the process, from new to assigned, in progress, and finally completed. I also really like the visual progress tracker because it feels similar to tracking a food delivery or ride-sharing order. If I need to contact the business, there's also a built-in Telegram button that lets me reach the business instantly with just one tap, making communication quick and convenient. Now let's switch to the business owner side. As soon as I log in, I get a dedicated dashboard where every customer booking appears automatically in real time. I can view all the booking details, assign a technician, and update the job status from new to assigned, in progress, and finally completed. The app also lets me manage my technicians, automatically builds a customer list from every booking, and provides an analytics dashboard to track total bookings, completed jobs, pending services, and my most popular services. Whenever I update a booking, the customer instantly sees the new status in their app. Plus, with the built-in Telegram integration, I can instantly send booking confirmations and service updates to customers, keeping them informed throughout the entire service process without any complicated setup. What's really impressive is that I didn't just build the interface. Wacka automatically handled the backend, cloud database, user authentication, role-based access, and real-time synchronization behind the scenes. So when a customer books a service or the business owner updates a job, everything stays synchronized instantly without writing a single line of backend code or configuring any servers. Once the app is ready, deploying it is just as simple. I just click Publish, and Wacka instantly deploys the latest version, generates a shareable web link, and my app is live. I can send that link directly to customers, and they can even add it to their phone's home screen to use it like a regular mobile app, all without managing hosting, configuring servers, or publishing it through the Play Store or App Store. Overall, I think this is a great example of how AI can solve real business problems. Instead of forcing a local business to adapt to generic software, Wacka lets you build a custom app around your own workflow, all without coding, managing a back end, or worrying about deployment. And if you're looking to monetize your AI skills, building custom business apps like this for local businesses can become a real service opportunity. If you'd like to build your own business app, you can start free with Wacka using the link in the description. Let me know in the comments what kind of app you'd build first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.